Today I will introduce to you several commonly used bearing types. Deep groove ball bearings are the most common type that people often see. This is a deep groove ball bearing. General deep groove ball bearings are divided into two types of dust-proof structures, sealed and open. Sealed deep groove ball bearings have the same internal construction as the open type. Self-aligning ball bearing. Its outer ring raceway is spherical, has double rows of balls, and has self-aligning property. Cylindrical roller bearings. The internal structure adopts rollers arranged in parallel, and cages are installed between the rollers. Tilting of the rollers or mutual friction between the rollers can be prevented, thereby effectively preventing an increase in rotational torque. Spherical roller bearings, with double row rollers, mainly bear radial loads, and can also bear axial loads in any direction, especially suitable for working under heavy or vibration loads. Thrust ball bearings are composed of three parts: seat ring, shaft ring and steel ball cage, which can bear axial load. Tapered roller bearings are separable bearings, and the inner and outer rings of the bearing have tapered raceways. This type of bearing is divided into different structural types such as single row, double row and four row tapered roller bearings according to the number of rows of rollers installed. For angular contact ball bearings, the cage is made of brass, synthetic resin, etc., and can bear radial load and axial load at the same time. It can work at higher speeds. The larger the contact angle, the higher the axial load carrying capacity. Basically all bearings, including some special bearings, can find these types of shadows. We are a professional manufacturer of bearings. Welcome to consult and ask for price. Thanks for watching.